Hello, Coffee Time friends. How y'all doing? It's Friday. It's party day. It's picnic day at the church. We're having our VBS picnic tonight. Look what Mama's cooked up. That is one big kettle, folks. This is her Towncraft kettle. It's the big one she likes to cook in. Really and truly, everything she cooks, she likes to cook in this kettle. Chili, soup, baked beans, everything with your mama.
Yeah.
And I see you found your dolphin.
Yeah, I found my dolphin. Is it
there? Well, I think it's dead.
You think it's there? It is.
It's back now.
It's back now.
Them kids are saying, poor dead dolphin. It's floating on its back. That's but keep it up tonight. Keep it up. You'll traumatize some young child, Mama.
They'll say it's dead, I'll just have to flip it back over.
Mama, I'm gonna miss Bible school. It's hectic. What are you finding on me?
The collar was crooked.
Oh, it's hectic, and when you're trying to work and do it, but you wouldn't know nothing. I thought you were tired. Not that I'm doing.
I used to do it all the time.
She's not telling what she used to do. And I'm telling her I'm still having to do it. Therefore, I'm about that much jealous.
I seen you stretch it out there.
Mama served her time.
I done did all this.
But I've not served mine yet, and I'm having to do it, and I get...
I go every night and stay.
I know, but you rest during the day while I'm trying to work. That's good. Back to the story. So tonight's our last night. It's always a bitter, sweet thing. You're like, it's tiring because you have to do it every night after night, but it's a wonderful, thank you for the stars. 200 stars, I see you did that. Yvonne, you're so sweet. And, but it gets that way, but as an adult and working, we were talking about last night. But don't feel guilty for that because your body's just tired. It's not that we don't love the kids, and we do love our kids. But I have enjoyed every minute of it.
Oh, yeah. And
I've enjoyed them little sweet babies and them big kids too. And they've eat good every night. They've had the best time. And we've had some good numbers. We may not see any results directly. We don't know. But we haven't yet. But we could be planting seeds that we'll never know when they bloom and they blossom forth. That would be what you're going for. But I know one good thing. Tonight, we're having hot dogs and all the fixings and the big old pot of baked beans. And it's going to be delicious, isn't it, Mama?
Yeah.
You going to miss it next week?
Yeah. I'll be a Russian. Where we got to go to?
I know. We may have to do the Pledge of Allegiance to the flags and the Bible or something on here next week just to keep us back in the notion. We have our little youth. We got an old-fashioned Bible school. We do show videos and all that, but we do just the basic entrances and stuff. And we didn't march in this year, but the kids have kind of gotten out of that. When I was a kid, that was a big deal. But we've kind of gotten out of that, and it's been hot. And another thing, you get them all in there, and you think it's going to take us 5 minutes to get them all back out there, then march them back in. So we've kind of skipped that stuff, but that's okay. That's okay. What are y'all eating tonight? It's party night. It's Friday night. If we were going to stay here tonight, we would do hamburgers and probably some baked beans and something good anyway.
Yeah.
But it's going to be a good night, and I'm excited for tonight. I'm excited for the kiddos. I will miss them, though. Some of them don't come to our church all the time. They're just visiting. They got their own churches.
We've got some new ones coming.
We do.
We may get them.
We do. And we have got some long-time youth before from Bible schools. We've got one little gal out there. She's a fireball, and she's on fire for the Lord. She's been there for 8-10 years, and she started out at the Bible school. And she's amazing. And a lot of our youth are there because they came to the Bible school and they loved it, and they just want to stay with us. And that's a good thing. But we love those kids that we know have a dedicated church and families going too, because they get to come to a different place, and they'll always remember coming here for Bible school. I went all over when I was a kid, even though my daddy's a deacon, my mom was a Sunday school teacher, and daddy was a treasurer and everything in our church. We were well-founded at Oswego, but I still went to these other churches, and I still remember what a wonderful time we had.
And you went everywhere all summer long, as long
as
they had Bible
loved
school.
it. Still love Bible school. I look forward to it. I start talking about it in February. And we talk about it, and we build up for it. We got a wonderful decorating crew out there. The gal who does our decorating.
Perfect.
It's just like, it's like a movie set. And she has tons of people that offers to help. And she does a great job. And we have good cooks. And they have just served them babies so good this week. And just everywhere I looked, somebody was helping a kid and fixing a plate and showing the love. And that's what we could use. It'd be good if the whole world could go into a worldwide Bible school for just 1 week and get that love aflowing, wouldn't it?
Get it stirred up, moving.
Hello from Oklahoma. Love Bible School, Francis Brook. I do too.
Yeah.
I really do. Hey, Patricia, how are you? Speaking of Bible school, we gotta get these hot beans. Mama, oh, she cooks hot.
They're hot.
They're hot. Look at the steam is still rolling. We gotta get these hot beans in the vehicle. Look at that. We get these hot beans in the vehicle without burning somebody. So we better get on the road. And I know I hate that clinking, and I'm sorry about that. I get carried away with Bible school. And I'm used to that waste not. And you have to get every speck out. But I didn't mean to clink onions. I apologize. So, yeah, we get spoons. Let's get a little saran wrap. I know you. I don't trust it though, Mama. I always put a little saran wrap. Do y'all? Just the thoughts of that hot stuff burning somebody. Just, you know. Anyhow, we're going to say goodbye. We're going to say y'all have a blessed night. Don't fall out with us over this Bible school week, because we plan on going back to regular next week. And we ain't forgot about it. We've missed it. And we'll feel like we're on vacation next week, won't we, Mama?
Yeah, feel like we're
Look at Mama's dolphin before she leaves.
Ooh,
Let's just, that's what I told you. Let's just hope it stays upright.
Is it right?
Yeah, it's fine. Well, it wasn't. What, you got anything on the back of that shirt?
Oh, it's
I am a whosoever, John 3:16. I love this shirt. It's one of my favorite ones. We do this lesson a lot. I am a whosoever. So when John 3:16 says whosoever,
that's everybody.
It's everybody, and it includes all of us. What a wonderful message that is. All right, folks, I got time for one more sip, literally, and I got to hit that road because I've got to go out here before I leave and check on the babies. I check on the babies before I leave, and check on the babies when I get home. Mama does too. She beats me to checking them. So we got to get that done, and we got to get on the run. But we love y'all, and we'll see y'all, Lord willing, tomorrow. Who knows, we may cook tomorrow.
Yeah.
I could eat something good tomorrow, Mama.
We've been good all week.
Not exactly you're good.
No.
We ain't starved, and we ain't done without, but we also ain't done no mashed potatoes.
No, we've not had a mashed potato.
Or a fried tater.
No.
The tater game is off this week.
No.
Y'all have a blessed night. Enjoy yourselves. It's Friday night. Make some memories. Get out and do something with the family. Wish we could stay longer. Some of y'all are saying, I'm just glad you are hushing when you are. Thank you for putting up with us. Say good night, Mama.
Good night, Mama. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all.